Here we are live.
I got stopped out.
So you got stopped out on the short. So 78.20 is the high end of the print. When the limit orders, so if you want to look at getting net long, because this thing's at 85, it's starting to get ready to rip right back up there. This is what I'm talking about, where bam, it pulls back, and it was only pulling back, but look at this 15-minute bar right here. That's the first 15. We're right up there. And when I look at that part of it, I also would like to look at another part of it. The top end of the price action bar is where that wick came to. That's the key. Why? Let me blow this up here, and let me show you why. See the top of this bar right here? If you don't break that price, that's where on a 15-minute, you're going to want to have limit orders below the market in that teeny level. Another thing is, we'll see what happened to the 15-minute bar and the price action is relative to the top. And this is on Green Mountain Coffee on this one here on a 15-minute chart. Here we go. We have a price action on MOBI. It's live. It's here. It's now. It's the #1 live entry and exits. We're going to try to make a bottom on MOBI, M-O-B-I. That's this one right here. 68 by 77 pennies. Intraday high, 15.14. We'll slide that bid on the short side. Here we came all the way back down. I have it in the earlier live entry video that we would take a small entry here. Okay? And we would. And that you can see clearly that you had a 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 1 teeny, 2 teenies. That's a 48 penny bid drop to that line. And then they're trying to make a bottom right now. The print is over here. This got to go north of 25. However, taking the light entry here is wholesale. MMTs, it's not going to hurt you. It's when you buy up here, like the public, and then ride them down to here. You're buying down here. And you can buy on light volume. As long as we can get an elevation here, and we can get this going toward 48 here, this price teeny action line will hold. We will keep a stop market, 1/2 teeny below it, which is 12 cents below the entry of the teeny action line. So that's where a stop market order would go. And then we would look at buying it all the way down here. Remember, in pre-market, if this thing doesn't get made, we still have orders out there, 1250, 1265, 1290 area as well. Depends on how we're going to get made here. We're not bouncing above 25, but we're going to be weak at the teeny line because of this, and this has to go toward above 15 right here. So we're holding it, but we're holding it at a kind of a weak area. And the Amazon LVS short, and we have someone that was shorting Amazon, but LVS short, they got it up to 43.99. And in pre-market, I talked about these price levels up there when you get short. That's where the least amount of risk is. That low-end bottom long action on this one is a good one. So we visited MOBI. We visited a lower entry down here, and I think we're doing quite well. But the entry point at the price action will remain weak because of the weak IR. So we have to have a 12 penny stop market order in play for risk management because we're weak at the teeny support line.